Hey, what's up mga boss? BossTL here again. Today, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng bike swap. Pero hindi tayo makikipag bike swap. Sasamahan lang natin si Throttle PHI in swapping his NMAX with a Svartpilen 401. Ano kaya ang deal nun? Tingnan natin. Hey, what's up mga boss? So, papunta tayo ng Paranaque today. Pupunta tayo sa Merville to meet up with Throttle PHI. So, kagaya nga na nasabi natin, sasamahan natin si Throttle PHI sa kanyang bike swap. Makikipag-swap siya ng kanyang NMAX with a Svartpilen 401. First big bike ni Throttle PHI yun, kaya kinakabahan siya. Kasamahan natin si Throttle PHI to provide moral support at assistance na rin, kasi first time niyang magdadrive home ng big bike, and as well first time niya rin mag-expressway on a bike. So kinakabahan talaga si Throttle PHI. This coming April, magno-North Luzon Loop kami ni Chill Pusit, ni Nico, at ni Carl. The three of us will be bringing our Svartpilen 401. And the thing is, si Carl, wala siyang big bike. NMAX lang ang kanyang motor. So definitely, he needs a big bike. Being a non-big biker himself, so kinakabahan talaga siya mag-drive ng big bike. Sanay siya sa scooter, automatic. So he has never ridden a manual bike for long distances. Hindi pa siya nakakapag-drive ng big bike, lalo na kung ipapasok mo sa SLEX. Kaya napag-usapan namin magkakagrupo to let Carl experience driving a manual bike for some time, para medyo makasanayan niya, para maging comfortable siya and familiar with a big bike and a manual bike at that. So pagdating ng aming long ride, it will not be a big time for everything kay Carl. Hindi siya magugulat or ma-overwhelm sa experience, kasi yun ang magiging first time niya driving a big bike, driving a manual bike, and driving through the expressway, diba? So tanggalin natin yung mga first time na yan by letting him drive a big bike for 1 week. Yes, tama kayo, makikipag-swap si Carl or si Throttle PHI sa Svartpilen 401 ni Chill Pusit for 1 week. Kailangan gamitin ni Throttle PHI yung Svartpilen 401 going to and from work using the big bike Svartpilen 401, para syempre kahit paano maging familiar siya with the big bike. Actually, Svartpilen is not really a big bike in terms of size. Maliit lang siya, para lang siya standard bike. And as we know, Chill Pusit has 3 big bikes. The smallest one is the Svartpilen. Meron siyang Honda CB 650R and the XSR 900, which we think would be too powerful and too heavy for Carl, who is a beginner big biker if ever. So napagkasunduan, well, paggamit na lang muna natin yung Svartpilen, so that if ever we would be able to borrow a big bike from KTM Philippines, if ever lang naman, kahit na mas malaki yung motor, at least hindi na gano'n na nakakapanibago sa kanya, kasi nasanay na siya mag-drive at least for a week using a manual bike. Ayun, so right now we are headed doon sa bahay ni Chill Pusit. Makikita muna kami ni Throttle PHI, sasamahan natin siya in getting the Svartpilen 401, kasi first time niya papasok sa expressway, and he might as well need some moral support, kasi kabado na nga eh. So yun, usapan namin around 2 o'clock dito sa may Caltech, sa may Merville, and we are on our way. Okay? So maya na lang ulit pag nandun na tayo, okay? Ano, tara?
Nagkita tayo doon?
Oo, tara. Dapat pala, na ganyan na rin ako eh. Sige, tara. Okay, Throttle PHI. Ay, hindi madam? Excited ka na? Excited ka? Alright, papunta na kami. Okay, we're on our way to chill proceeds. So this is the Svartpilen. The owner is Chill Proceed. And we have the NMAX. NMAX would be staying here for 1 month. Look at that. XSR, CB650. We have two Svartpilens here. We had the NMAX. We'll be leaving the NMAX here. And yo, shout out Easy Jersey.
Ito rin, naka-Easy Jersey mo.
Oo nga, puro naka-Easy Jersey dito Easy.
Ikaw lang hindi eh.
Wala, I'm on a jacket kasi. So shout out Easy Jersey. We're going na. Alan, there you go Right. Thank you, thanks. So yun si Carl, dala niya yung Svartpilen ni Chill Proceed. Uwi na kami. SLEX. We're going to SLEX. Woohoo! Matayan ka?
Ano sa mga neutral? Bawal pa rin.
Neutral, up ng konti. Mahirap hanapin neutral yan. Parang hirap na hirap ka. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Alright. Let's go. Alright guys, S6 na kami. Woo! Okay, first time for Carl sa S6. Woo! Alright guys, we are on the go. Woo! Should be good. It's a fail. Let's go. First big bike, first SLEX. Yeah. Actually, wala naman pinagkaiba eh. So, parang you weave in and out of course. The idea lang natin kung nasa SX ka, maybe taunting to some. Yun lang. It's just a hike. Well, it's a special experience kasi hindi naman lahat nakaka-experience ng gano'n, di ba? Eh, ito, first time pa makapag big bike, di ba? So, it might be a different high. Totally different high with cars. So, I'm riding with Paul. One of Svartpilen 401. So sa mga nagtatanong, would you rather choose a Svartpilen 200 or a 401? I would advise go straight to 401. Expressway legal na agad. Alright guys, I guess I'll end my vlog here. And that would be the highlight of our day. Samahan si Carl getting his first big bike. Well, 1 week lang naman, pero that would still be his first big bike. Okay, so yun lang. I'll end my vlog here. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, do hit a thumbs up and subscribe to BossTL PH. And click that notification bell to be notified of our new uploads. Alright? And as I always say, stay awesome, stay safe. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.